You'll often find your original emblems faded, pitted, or even flaking, making it look pretty terrible on your car after decades of being on the road. You'll be happy to know that we carry the exact reproductions you need. I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1963 through 67 Buick Riviera fender emblems. Manufactured from die-cast zinc, these emblems are the most authentic reproductions on the market. We use case-hardened steel tooling to ensure the quality and authenticity of every part. Emblems feature the original script Riviera using the factory-correct font. We finish all of our emblems in a beautiful triple chrome finish. In addition, they feature the correctly located mounting pins for installation as well as the hardware. They'll be ready to install right out of the box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.